Okay guys, I will come back to another awesome tutorial on Python. And so this time around we're looking at input with data conversions. Remember that whenever we say input and we put something here, enter your name. So anytime we run this guy, what we get is a string value. You can see it's just a string value. Okay, so now what we need now is, what if you need a number? You need a data conversion that will move this string value to a what? I to convert it either to integer or to float, depending on what we want. So right now, we want to look at how to do that. Okay, so I will come over here. I'm going to remove this guy. So I'm going to say A is equal to int input, and here I'm going to say enter an integer okay, enter an integer, and I have another one, B equal to float input. I want to say enter a float. Okay, enter a float. So try as much as possible to put your quotation marks here. Now I want to print these guys, so I'm going to print A and B. I want to print A and B. I will go over here and save my file. I said I wouldn't be running on this guy again. I don't know why I came over to this place. Enter an integer 6. Enter a float 8.9. So 6, 8.9. So this guy goes. If you want to do it one by one, you can do this and say print A. So let's save again and let's run. Enter an integer. Let's put something that is not an integer out. You see, this is not an integer and it throws an error because remember what we put there is what? Int. So I'm going to remove this guy and run this again. Enter an integer. Let's put another one, 4.3. Is this an integer? Let's check. You can see it's not an integer, and we're having an error until we put an integer. Let's run this guy again. Come on, why is this getting very slow? Enter an integer 6. You can see 6. Enter a float. 6.0 is a float. You can see that. So this is a data conversion. Now let's modify our program to calculate the area of circle again. so we can input the diameter. I'm gonna close this because in the last one we are not the ones that put the diameter, we just typed it into the program and it was able to give out. And now we want a user to put the diameter. So I'm going to import my mass from mass import, dictionaries, come down, I say diameter d is equal to float input. So I need this diameter from a user. I'm gonna say diameter. I want to say enter diameter. Okay. So the user is going to give me this, and I'm gonna calculate. Say area is equal to pi multiply d raised to power 2 divided by 4. So print area is equal to A. So let's hit enter and go and save. We save, we run. So diameter 5, hit enter. So area is equal to 19 points. So blah 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 blah. So guys, you can see how cool it is and how interesting it is as well. So play around with it, try more examples, convert from char, convert to int, and convert to anything you want to convert to. Okay, it's very interesting and very awesome. So see you in the next tutorial. We'll be doing something very cool again, very amazing and very interesting as well.